So now we're going to do example 2. I'm going to add the two fractions 2/5 plus 3/5. Okay? So the sum of two fractions with the same denominator, do these have the same denominator? They do. The sum of two fractions with the same denominator is the fraction, okay? It's the fraction whose numerator is the sum of the numerators of the fractions being added, 2 plus 3, that's 5. And whose denominator is the denominator shared by the fractions being added, also 5 in this case. Now, from one of our facts that we discussed earlier, we know that a fraction that has the same numerator and denominator represents a complete whole. And so here we can see that 2/5 plus 3/5, which is 5/5, represents together the whole under discussion. And let's look at that visually here. Here I have a whole sliced into 5 pieces, and I'm going to shade 2 of them here. Here I have another whole sliced into 5 pieces. I'm going to shade 3 of them here. And if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, when I add those together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm going to shade the whole thing, as you can see here. So that's exactly consistent with what we calculated. And that's example 2. And again, I want you to notice how I again verbally drove my calculation. The sum of two fractions with the same denominator is the fraction whose numerator is the sum of the numerators of the fractions being added, and whose denominator is the denominator shared by the fractions being added. Thank you.